I'm a Smiling Cook, and we're dishing up eggplant parmesan. Start by slicing your eggplant lengthwise. Be careful you don't cut yourself. Then you'll go ahead and add your eggplant to a paper towel and lay them out. You're going to sprinkle them generously with salt and let them sit for about a half an hour to 45 minutes. Then I go ahead and I pat mine dry with a paper towel just to get the excess water off of them. I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl along with a 1/4 cup of whipping cream. Mix it up.
How was your day?
And then I put my pre-seasoned breadcrumbs in a plate. I use garlic powder and Italian seasonings and salt. Then you're going to dredge your eggplant in the egg mixture, then in the breadcrumb mixture, and you are going to add it to a hot pan with oil. Cook them until they are browned and crispy on both sides. You'll remove them from the heat and let the oil drain. When your sauce is done, you will take it and put it in a baking dish on the bottom. Then you'll go ahead and add your eggplant and layer it in that baking dish. Once you're finished, go ahead and add your pasta sauce on top, and then you can sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. I had some mozzarella left in the fridge that I like on my eggplant Parmesan. So I put that on my side, bake at 350 until it is nice and bubbly, and dinner is served. Enjoy.